at is your alert slider. So we have the slider on the side of the OnePlus 6T here. If you slide up, it slides your phone to vibrate, and if you slide down, it slides your phone to ring. You can use this as a quick toggle in case you need to slide your phone to vibrate if you're entering a meeting or if you're in a place where you don't want your phone to make noise. This is a really quick option instead of going into the settings or using the volume buttons. Now you can also customize your alert slider to do some other things, and we'll show you in the settings and exactly where to do that. So again, we're going to slide down from the top. We're going to hit this little cog for the settings, and in the settings we're going to go to buttons. And when we're in buttons and gestures, there's an alert slider option here. So you can actually set the alert slider to silent, vibrate, ring. And when you select the particular option, it gives you the ability to customize that option even further. So you have a lot of customization options for this particular alert slider here in the menu. Another thing that OnePlus offers. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. It's going to do it for another video in our OnePlus 6T Pro user guide series, where we show you exactly how to take full advantage of all the features and benefits that this great phone has to offer. Now, if you enjoyed the video guys, please support the channel by sharing our content and also sharing your thoughts, opinions, and any questions you may have about this phone in the comment section down below. Again, we're showing you exactly how to take full advantage of all the features of this great phone you either own or are planning to buy. And also don't forget to check out some of the other videos we've done about the OnePlus 6T. It gives you a full rounded experience of what to expect if you're again going to purchase this phone soon, or if you currently own it. It shows you how to take full advantage of all its features. Thank you so much for checking out the video guys. If you're not already a part of our community, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share any thoughts and comments or questions you have in the comment section below the video. And until next time, peace out.